ये कदम्ब का पेड़ अगर माँ होता यमुना तीरे, मैं भी उस पर बैठ कन्हैया बनता धीरे धीरे. Have you heard this lovely poem called Kadamb Ka Ped by Shubhadra Kumari Chauhan? And you must have heard stories about little Krishna associated with the Kadamb tree. As we approach Janmashtami, let's take a glimpse into this lovely poem, learn a little bit about the Kadamb tree, and if you wait till the end, there is a surprise twist in the tale. All this and more in this episode of Tree Talk.
ये कदम्ब का पेड़ अगर माँ होता यमुना तीरे, मैं भी उस पर बैठ कन्हैया बनता धीरे धीरे. ले देती यदि मुझे बांसुरी तुम 2 पैसे वाली, किसी तरह नीची हो जाती ये कदम्ब की डाली. तुम्हें नहीं कुछ कहता पर मैं चुपके चुपके आता, उस नीची डाली से अम्मा ऊंचे पर चढ़ जाता. वही बैठ फिर बड़े मजे से मैं बांसुरी बजाता, अम्मा अम्मा कह बंसी के स्वर में तुम्हें बुलाता. सुन मेरी बंसी को माँ तुम इतनी खुश हो जाती, मुझे देखने काम छोड़ तुम बाहर तक आती. तुमको आता देख बांसुरी रख मैं चुप हो जाता, पत्तों में छिपकर धीरे से फिर बांसुरी बजाता. गुस्से होकर मुझे डांटती कहती नीचे आजा, पर जब मैं न उतरता हंसकर कहती मुन्ना राजा. नीचे उतरो मेरे भैया तुम्हें मिठाई दूंगी, नए खिलौने माखन मिश्री दूध मलाई दूंगी. मैं हंसकर सबसे ऊपर टहनी पर चढ़ जाता, एक बार माँ कहे पत्तों में वहीं कहीं छिप जाता. बहुत बुलाने पर भी माँ जब नहीं उतर कर आता, माँ तब माँ का हृदय तुम्हारा बहुत विकल हो जाता. तुम आंचल फैलाकर अम्मा वहीं पेड़ के नीचे, ईश्वर से कुछ विनती करती बैठी आंखें मीचे. तुम्हें ध्यान में लगे देख मैं धीरे धीरे आता, और तुम्हारे फैले आंचल के नीचे छिप जाता. तुम घबराकर आंख खोलती पर माँ खुश हो जाती, जब अपने मुन्ना राजा को गोदी में ही पाती. इसी तरह कुछ खेला करते हम तुम धीरे धीरे, यह कदम्ब का पेड़ अगर माँ होता यमुना तीरे.
इसी तरह कुछ खेला करते तुम हम धीरे धीरे, यह कदम्ब का पेड़ अगर माँ होता यमुना तीरे. Wasn't that a lovely poem? And did it revive some childhood memories of learning poems in Hindi class, of playing with your mother, of climbing trees? And I hope it also taught you a thing or two about the kadamb tree, and that you would recognize a kadamb tree the next time you see one. Here are some quick pointers.
Straight erect bole, branches coming out at sharp right angles, simple elliptical shaped leaves which are soft and downy in texture. The midrib of the leaf is very prominent and the veins are parallel to one another and are also clearly visible. Flowers look like circular balls and they are light yellow in color. You may find a carpet of kadam flowers below the tree as well. The fruit is similar in shape to the flower and is light orange in color.
And now, as we wind down this episode, keeping the promise I made to you at the beginning about the twist in the tale.
So, Pradeep Krishan, in his book, The Trees of Delhi, which, by the way, is my absolute favorite tree guide. If any of you want to get started identifying trees in India, no matter which part of India you come from, I'd highly, highly recommend that you get this book. In this book, Pradeep Krishan says that although most people identify this tree as the Kadamb of Krishna's Vrindavan, it is, he says, a case of mistaken identity. He says this tree is native to moist forests and would not have survived in a hot, dry area like Vrindavan. Further, he says that it is the Kaim tree whose botanical name is Mitragaina parviflora, which is the true Kadamb of Krishna's Vrindavan. Also, ironically, he says the name given to the Kaim by the people of Vrindavan is the Kadamb.
Well, kadamb or kaim. What's important is that you step out and spend some time with the trees around you. And I hope this poem by Shubhadra Kumari Chauhan has inspired you to do just that. Best wishes to you all for Janmashtami.